The world of video marketing has changed dramatically in recent years. What was once a costly and time-consuming process is now faster, more efficient, and more powerful than ever thanks to artificial intelligence. From automating video creation to optimizing audience engagement, AI has become an essential tool for businesses, content creators, and marketers looking to stay ahead in the digital era. There was a time when producing high-quality marketing videos required expensive equipment, large production teams, and countless hours of editing. Brands had to rely on traditional methods to brainstorm ideas, script videos, shoot footage, and manually edit everything to perfection. But today, AI has stepped in to revolutionize every stage of the process. It's changing how we create, optimize, and distribute video content, making it more accessible to businesses of all sizes. So, how exactly is AI enhancing video marketing? The answer lies in several key areas: content creation, automation, personalization, performance analytics, and audience engagement. Let's explore each of these in detail. AI-powered video creation, making content in minutes. One of the most groundbreaking advancements in AI-driven video marketing is automated video creation. In the past, brands needed a team of writers, designers, and editors to produce compelling content. Today, AI can handle many of these tasks with minimal human input. AI-powered platforms can generate video scripts based on a few keywords or a short description. These tools analyze trending topics, industry data, and audience preferences to create engaging narratives tailored to specific viewers. Once the script is ready, AI-driven video generators can turn text into full-fledged videos by assembling relevant stock footage, animations, voiceovers, and transitions all within minutes. Brands no longer have to spend weeks producing content. With AI-driven tools like Synthesia, Pictory, and InVideo, businesses can quickly generate high-quality marketing videos using AI avatars, voice synthesis, and dynamic text-to-video technology. The result: a more efficient and scalable approach to content creation that allows brands to stay consistent with their messaging without exhausting their resources. Hyper-personalization. Delivering the right content to the right audience. One of the biggest challenges in marketing is making content feel personal. AI has made personalization easier than ever by analyzing customer data and tailoring video content to match individual preferences. Imagine receiving a promotional video from a brand, and it not only addresses you by name but also showcases products you've previously browsed online. AI makes this possible through deep learning and predictive analytics. AI-powered marketing platforms track user behavior, purchase history, and social media interactions to create highly personalized video experiences. AI-driven video editing. Speeding up post-production editing is one of the most time-intensive parts of video marketing. Traditional editing requires manually cutting clips, adjusting colors, adding effects, and fine-tuning transitions. AI has introduced automation into this process, making post-production faster and more efficient. AI-driven editing tools use machine learning to analyze footage and automatically generate polished videos. AI can detect the best clips, remove unnecessary segments, and enhance visuals with minimal human intervention. Some advanced tools even provide automatic scene detection, intelligent cropping, and real-time color correction. One of the most exciting developments in AI-driven editing is auto-captioning and voice recognition. Platforms like Descript and Capwing can transcribe speech instantly and generate accurate captions, improving accessibility and engagement. AI-powered voice synthesis can also modify or replace dialogue without requiring re-recordings, saving time and effort for creators. AI and video SEO, optimizing for maximum reach. Creating high-quality videos is only half the battle. The next challenge is ensuring that videos reach the right audience. AI is playing a crucial role in video SEO, helping brands optimize content for search engines and social media platforms. AI tools analyze vast amounts of data to determine the best keywords, hashtags, and metadata for video content. By understanding user search intent and trending topics, AI ensures that videos rank higher in search results and gain better visibility. AI-powered platforms can also generate video descriptions, titles, and thumbnail suggestions based on engagement analytics. This means marketers no longer have to guess what will perform well. AI provides data-driven insights that increase click-through rates and improve discoverability. Additionally, AI-powered speech recognition can analyze video transcripts and generate keyword-rich subtitles, making content more accessible while improving its chances of ranking on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. AI-powered audience engagement, real-time insights, and interactivity. The best marketing videos don't just entertain, they engage. AI is making video content more interactive and immersive, leading to higher viewer attention and better conversion rates. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants can be integrated into video content, allowing viewers to ask questions or receive personalized recommendations in real time. Interactive video ads powered by AI enable users to click on products directly within a video, making the buying journey seamless and more engaging. The future of AI in video marketing. What's next? AI is still evolving, and the future of video marketing looks even more promising. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more powerful tools to emerge, making video creation, optimization, and distribution more seamless than ever.